Hello guys, welcome back to Unbox Anish. So this week I came up with a new video. This is regarding pegboard. Pegboard means you already seen many videos, right? So this is one of the video in which it clearly explain how to fix this to a wall. For example, if you purchase this pegboard from Ikea, I will show the dimensions also. This is 56 by 56 centimeters. This is how it looks. So this is how it looks like, and usually this will be vertical like this. And you will get on base lessons. You can hook this to wall like this. You can hook and you can put screws here, and you will get 4 screws inside. So 4 screws you can keep for this one here and 2 at the bottom. I'll show you quickly setting up to wall.